today's video, I am in the country of Georgia, and in this video I want to show you 3 different hotels in 3 different parts of Georgia. I am traveling around in Georgia as a tour leader with a group. So in this video I want to show you how my hotel looks like in Kutaisi, in Tbilisi and in Mestia. The 3 areas that I will go around to with my guests. This is also 3 areas that has very different types of hotels, different hotel standards. Of course, every city all over Georgia has very high standard hotels and very low standard hotels, and I would be staying in what would be considered the middle range for all of the cities. Right now I'm in Kutaisi, so I want to start with showing you my hotel in Kutaisi. So this is my hotel room in Kutaisi. When you come in, there is a radiator and there is a place to hang your jacket on. There's also these ones where you can hang clothes on, and down here I have my suitcase. This is supposed to be a single room, but as you can see there is 2 beds and there is the sheets on the beds. So hopefully inside the closet I will find the duvets. Both sides also have a lamp, and on the other side I have a television, a small desk and a mini fridge. Let's see if there is actually a duvet in the closet. There is, because it is becoming winter now and I do need a bed cover on my bed. This hotel room also has a balcony with a view of the city and the cable car. Down here you see the river, and over there on the other side you can see the cable car. It goes up through here and up to a mountain behind. There's also a view of the Bagarat, if I say that correctly, cathedral. Last but not least, we also have to see the toilet. This is the toilet, very standard, with a toilet, a sink, a hair dryer, somewhere to dry your towels, and a shower. That was the first hotel room in Georgia. The next hotel room will be in Tbilisi. I am now in my next hotel in Tbilisi. I literally just arrived 2 minutes ago and took out my camera so we can explore this hotel room in Tbilisi together. Let's explore the room together. Again, I have 2 single beds, even though this is a single room. I have a television and a little sitting area to work on if I want to do that. There is also a tea and coffee station over here with a boiler, some cups and some tea and some coffee. Some mini fridge down here with the water inside. I'm assuming that's for me. And then I have a very big window, but not a view. From the window you can just see the street. I am on the 2nd floor, so maybe that's why there's not so much view. I also have a big closet that I can put clothes into, and I have over here coat hangers and an area where I can store my suitcase. Besides that, there is of course the toilet that you see here with a big sink. For once with a little storage, which is a problem I always think hotel rooms has, that they just have tiny little sinks and nowhere you can have your toiletries. There is some shampoo and some bath foam, some soap, some shower caps, many shower caps, and some toothbrush with toothpaste. Towels up here and a very big shower. That is my hotel room in Tbilisi in Georgia. The last hotel room I want to show you is in Mestia in the Svaneti region. I have now arrived in Mestia in the Svaneti region, and this is the hotel room that I'm staying at here. Let's start over here in my hotel room. Here is a desk and a chair. Over there is a big closet with a big mirror. Hello! Over here to the side there is 2 beds with 2 lamps and 2 nightstands, and since this is a single room there is only 1 set of towels. Behind the curtain is a balcony that I'll show you later because it's dark now. And out here is the toilet, which of course have a sink with some toiletries, a mirror, again, a hairdryer, hooks and places you can hang up your towels. Over here is the shower. And of course there is a toilet too. I'll show the view from the balcony tomorrow. It is dark now, we cannot see anything, but in daytime I actually have a very beautiful mountain view. Besides that, I just want to say thank you very much for watching this video, where I showed you 3 different hotel rooms in different areas of Georgia. If you want to see more travel videos about Georgia, then please subscribe to my channel. I will also be very happy if you gave this video a like.